So here we have the answer again given to us, CBDA. The impressionists, on the other hand, D cannot start the paragraph because the presence of the phrase on the other hand shows that there must be something better than this, right? This Greek view, where is the view here? We must have the view first, right? So the philosopher Taine expressed the impressionist view of things when he said, the chief person in a picture is the light in which everything is bathed. But how would you take this idea ahead? The impressionist, on the other hand, can you, if you start with A, can you have B? Because this is not a Greek view. A is not a Greek view, so you cannot have B either. You cannot have C. D also, on the other hand, we need something to justify on the other hand, right? So we get a feeling that A is not the right start. C, only C can be the right start. The ancient Greeks had conceived of the world in concrete terms, even endowing abstract qualities with bodies. So C says the ancient Greeks had conceived of the world in concrete terms. The Greek view of matter persisted so far as painting was concerned into the 19th century, right? So this Greek view, what is the view? That uh, the ancient Greeks had conceived the world in concrete terms. So basically, the world was in concrete terms was basically the view into the 19th century. The Impressionists, on the other hand, viewed light as the ultimate reality. So the Greeks viewed the world in concrete terms. The Impressionists viewed the world in terms of light, and therefore, and this justifies the presence of on the other hand. So the Greek view had concreteness. The Impressionist view believed light to be the ultimate reality. The philosopher Taine expressed the Impressionist view like this: the chief person in the picture is the light in which everything is bathed. So the view, whatever is the view here, is basically in the form of quotation in statement A. CBDA is, it's a good question, it's short, but it's a very, very nice question because you tend to get a feeling how should you place on the other hand. Because you cannot have C and then you can have D. But the problem is that you must have C, B together. And then you have D and you have A together. Because if you put D, then you will put A. Then placing B here does not make sense. Because D, A will go together, no doubt about it. And C starts. So either you can have B here or you can have B in the end. B in the end makes no sense. This Greek view will have no justification after A. Right? So CBDA is the best choice and the right answer.